Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Elena.
And my name is Christian. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Do you need your pictures retaken? Photo retakes will be this Thursday, October 5th. You may order online at dsp-photo.com.
Did you know that when you order online, you can choose from many different backgrounds and photo packages?
PSAT testing is tomorrow for all 10th graders and some seniors. Please make sure that you know where you will be testing.
The Media Center will be closed tomorrow for non-testing students due to testing.
Would you be interested in earning volunteer hours? The Future Educators of America Club will be meeting every Wednesday from 3:30 to 4:30 in room 4207 with Ms. Doran.
You do not need to aspire to be a teacher to join. You must need to want to help teachers, your peers, younger students, and our school. Some activities that the club will participate in are book buddies, mentoring or tutoring peers, contests, and helping with Teacher Appreciation Week.
Good luck to our bowling team this afternoon. They will compete against Bayside at 4 p.m.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!